Hi guys, so today I want us to make um dessert or a snack. In this case it's a snack. Um so you're gonna need one banana. I have the tiniest banana, but we're gonna make it work. All right. I think it's actually good for baking at this point because it's kind of like ripe, right? You can bake using these bananas. Yeah, that's good enough. So we are making a banana split but without ice cream, like so. It's a 5 minutes or even less, 5 minutes dessert. So let me wash my hands first. Then we're gonna take our yogurt. So I normally take probiotic because I'm trying to heal my gut. If you know, you know. So we're gonna take our spoon and we're gonna scoop it and put it in the middle. So that's enough. And then we're gonna take our granola. So this one I liked it because it has, but this is not my favorite because the same brand has one for coffee, but this one has chunky clusters toast with chocolate pieces and pumpkin seeds. I don't know if you can see. So this is how it looks like. So we're gonna sprinkle this on top. Like so. And then last but not least, you're gonna need your honey. I really like this one. So we're gonna just do this. Let me show you. And that is it. 2 minutes. Nice dessert for kids. Or a snack for, you know, yourself. Like this is mine. This is how it looks like. Yeah. Enjoy. If you try it, let me know what you think.